Hi, here is the Olympus AF1 twin overall conditions, and here is the battery compartment using two CR1238 battery. So when we want to put the battery in, we need to take the ribbon out, and we just put accordingly to here. The minus as add up. Okay, plus. Okay, just close it and switch here up to open the back cover. Inside will be like this. Here is the film. For the film, we need to slide to this compartment from the top to the bottom to make sure that the center part of the canister have met into the motor. Okay, push it in. The film tip, you just pull until here, will do like that. And close it to the auto load. How to know whether you have loaded the film properly? When you open it, here show figure 1, which means that we have loaded properly. Yeah. And here's a shutter. Here's the switch, the lens mode. Like now it's white. Click again to tally. Then okay, when you look into the viewfinder, you'll find out at the center point here, got a bracket. So you just use that bracket to aim to the object you want to focus and half press it. Okay. So when it's light up like this, means it's okay. Then we just shoot it. Then here's the flash setting. Now it's auto, and if you want like off it also can. Fill in like force flash. Well, I recommend you just put it at fully auto will do. And here's the timer. First is continuous shooting. The second is timer. Timer is also same. You aim to the object you want to focus, half press it, and we'll start counting. The red light up means that it has started counting already. It took around 10 seconds like that. Okay, when it's almost there, it will like start blinking lah. Okay, and the overall is like this. The date bag have out of battery, so if you want to use the date bag, then you need to like change the battery lah. The date bag is like imprinting the cross date. It will have a date appear on your outcome lah. While I'm not sure whether it until 2025 or not, because it's old lah. Usually it's like until 2019 or something. And if you want to close it, you just like swipe it like that, means it's closed. On it's like this. Yeah. So overall it's like this, and when you finish, it will auto rewind, so no worry in using, and hope you enjoy it.